Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana's Summertime. So today I have a really quick, fun little video for you. I'm going to be doing a little transformation. I used to do transformations on this channel all the time. Actually, no, it's not a transformation. I'm doing a bit more of an inspired look. Oh, this has just caught my eye in the viewfinder and it's bugging me, to be honest. I have loved Ariana Grande for so long, like since yours truly. One of my very first YouTube videos was actually Ariana Grande hairstyles on curly hair. So if you haven't seen that, then I'll put it up there. But honestly, you don't need to watch it. Like, it's very, very basic. I really want to try out her eyeliner. She's been doing some amazing eye looks in her latest music videos. As we know, Ariana Grande was always wearing the super thick winged eyeliner. She was just like one notch down from doing a full-on Amy Winehouse eyeliner. And lately with this new album, we've seen her switch things up a lot. So she has had the cut crease for the Positions music video, and then we're seeing her with the white eyeliner for the 34+35 music video. So I'm going to be doing the 34+35 music video look today, or inspired by. Wish me luck, because I have never done this with my face before. Believe it or not, this is the first time I have ever done a white eyeliner look. I purchased a white eyeliner from Look Fantastic. I'll link this one down below. This one's by NYX, but this is the first time that I have ever used a white eyeliner. This much scared, this much excited, okay? Let's get into it, shall we? So if you want to see how you can do some Ariana Grande looks on your curly hair, or maybe you don't have curly hair and you can do some of these steps but maybe not all of them, then keep on watching. And also, if you want to figure out how she does her eyeliner looks, then keep watching as well, because I'm trying to figure out too, sis, and we can find it out together. I can see she does have a bit of a crease color, which is darkening things up a bit. She has some highlights on her brow bone. She seems to have a pretty matte shade on the majority of her lid. She has a ton of lid space though. She has like really big eyelids. I don't. We can kind of fake that with a cut crease. We can fake that with eyeliner, so it's no biggie. We can do that too, sis. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm gonna want to do is I'm gonna put a crease shade in, because hers looks slightly mauve. Like, it doesn't look fully brown, it definitely looks kind of mauve. And this, I'm gonna put it right underneath my brow bone, which is not technically my crease, but we're gonna pretend it is for today. And obviously she has the really raised eyebrows as well. She has a super straight brow. My eyebrows are coming really low down today. I am excited because I feel like this already looks different to how I usually do my eyeshadow, and I'm always down for a new look. Oh, we've fallen flat at the first hurdle. I really should have fixed my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take a tiny bit of concealer, because I don't want to have to blend that much. I don't have enough blending space, honestly. Okay, so we're gonna just carry on like this. Is my eyebrows looking like this? I was not planning on doing a full Ariana Grande eyebrow, so it's just not gonna look like a full Ariana Grande eyebrow, not today. I like to think that this then comes down like this, and then I'm gonna go matte on the inner corners with like a really light color. So we're gonna do this. It's the same palette. It's the Too Faced Born This Way palette. It's this one right here called Swan, which I use all the time. I think with this whole album, you can see Ariana taking a lot of mattes, like really utilizing mattes, and I think it just really plays into this whole 60s vibe that she's got going with a lot of the looks in the imagery for this album. And we're just going to darken up that entire area right here, like this whole outer third. Literally right on top of that, I'm going to go in with the white eyeliner. I'm very scared because I've never done this before. I'm not entirely sure I know what I'm doing, but I'm going to try, and that's what life is all about. Life is all about trying. God loves a tryer. It comes out to about here. Scared, worried, concerned. Obviously she did line her eyes with that. She did also add a black eyeliner, but we're gonna go with that afterwards. And this goes way into the inner corner as well. Like, this is all the way over here, and it's really rounding out her eye. Actually really different to like a lot of the makeup trends this year, because obviously a lot of the makeup trends were the fox eye, and in the fox eye you don't take eyeliner onto your lid like this. And I have to also be mindful that she has a lot more lid space than me. When this was Ari and she was just kind of lining her eyes, it basically takes up the whole of my eyelid. It's fine for this look because we're gonna be doing a faux eyelid, a faux crease kind of thing. And you can see when she has her eye closed, it goes up in a really straight line. I'm my god, I think I did it, you guys. There's something about this literally makes me feel like I'm using a Tipp-Ex on my eyes. I'm just gonna fan that dry. And then I'm going to do the black eyeliner, which goes kind of underneath it. I told you at the start she always has a wing. So we're gonna do a wing. Oh wait, this is a duo eyeliner. It's from the B Beauty range at Superdrug, and it has a thick side and it has a precision side. So I want to use the precision side for this. Okay, and you can see that the way that we did the black has cut into a lot of the thickness of the white right here. So I just want to make that bit thicker again. Okay, I'm gonna do this one off camera because it's gonna be exactly the same as this. So this is what we're gonna do. Please come out the same, please come out the same, please come out the same. Why do they not look the same? Okay, it's kind of a mess at the ends, but I'm gonna blame it on the fact that like I'm right-handed and I can't do these strokes this way. I can only go this way. Like I can't do that because otherwise I won't be able to see. Like, does anyone else have that problem? So I'm going with the chunky side. This is the chunky side because I know that I'm going to fill in this whole little like tiny corner right here. You know the tiny corner I mean. That tiny corner, you know. Okay, let me go and get some lashes real quick. Okay, so there's the lashes, and now we can get started on the hair, which is always my favorite part. So in this music video, Ariana literally just had her hair up like this. Well, obviously she had her ponytail and everything. It was half up, half down, but she didn't have a fringe, she didn't have a swoopty swoop or anything. But I don't really like doing that because my forehead is so I'm gonna do a swoopty swoop, even though it doesn't really go with this makeup look specifically. And also my hair is a hot mess. As you can see, there's like no definition. It's super stretched out because basically I washed my hair at my boyfriend's house and I had no product with me, nothing, and I just put it straight into a bun and just stretched it all out, and it's all fluffy. If you guys do want to see a hair routine for when you have no products, then I'll put it up here. You can watch this video, and that's how I do my hair with no product. But at my boyfriend's house I had nothing because these men be out here using these all-in-one. Okay, so I'm gonna do a half up, half down. Even though my hair looks like trash, I think we're just gonna try and make it work. Okay, I'm gonna tie the rest of it back so it doesn't get in the way. I'm gonna take a triangular piece right here. Now this all goes up, 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 up. I'm gonna go ahead and tie that right here with this half broken hair tie. And then we're gonna do the swoopy. I'm just gonna brush it. Okay, so this is the Cole Company styling cream gel. So I like this stuff. I'm gonna put it on here. And I'm gonna put that under the rest of my hair. You know, there are clips that I really like for this. I like the snappy clips for this because I feel like they have more hold than a bobby pin, and also you can't see them when they're right at the back like this, so you can actually get away with it. Actually thinking that I quite like the frizz for today. Alright, so I'm gonna lay my edges. I'm gonna use my favorite edge control paste at the moment, which is the Blueberry Bliss by Carl's. Just smells amazing. I know it obviously has fragrance in it, but it smells so fresh. Like, I just love it. So I'm just gonna put that on my edges over here. Okay, so seeing as we got really close to the end, I started to notice that my lips were not the right colour. So I'm back again with a NYX Lingerie Lip Pigment. This one is in the shade Exotic, and I've had it for a really long time. I used to wear it all the time as well. I think this is pretty close to the shade. Yeah, baby, that's what I wanted. Why do I look like a clown when I do it? I am a clown. Okay, I just want to fix up the foundation around my lips because that got very messed up during this lip application process. So I'm gonna fix this up. Make sure I don't get caught slipping there. And I'm gonna go on to that with some gloss because hers wasn't necessarily matte. It did seem quite glossy. So I'm gonna do that. This is like the NYX Lingerie Clear Gloss. Like, why did we ever wear mattes when gloss exists? When gloss exists, why did we wear matte? I always like to warm my cheeks up a little bit, so I'm gonna go back in with some more blush and just kind of try to tie all of this all in together. Oh, that was too much, was it? Okay, just one more thing. I'm gonna tie a piece of hair around my hair tie so that it's all neat and tidy because I really cannot leave it like this. Also, it gives you a bit of height on the ponytail too, which is what I think we really need. That feels better. Just one more thing, it's the highlighter. Like I mentioned the highlighter right at the start, right? I said she had a whole bunch of it on her brow bone, and it was actually right up here too, and like all up here. So I'm just gonna add some of that because we want to glow like Ari. Some on the nosy. Okay, I think we're done now. So there you have it. That was my Ariana Grande inspired hair and makeup, especially from the 34+35 music video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please thumbs it up if you did. Please thumbs it down if you didn't, because all feedback is good feedback in my opinion. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything more from me. Drop your video suggestions in the comments section down below. Tell me your favorite Ariana Grande song down below as well, and maybe I'll even try doing another look from her because I really like this one. And yeah, that's everything from me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.